tutorial video. Now, have you guys been searching for an AI tool that will help you transfer your text into a video? Now, do you want an AI tool that can just take your ideas and just create it into a video? If so, this video is for you. And before I teach you guys about it or tell you guys about it, if you're new to our channel, just go down and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. Now the AI tool that I was talking about is called the InVideo. Now just go ahead and search for InVideo on your web browser and just open it up, create an account. And after you do that, what happens is you will be able to just type in the text and you will be able to just turn that text into a video. So just create an account, log into it, and I'll show you guys its interface. Now right here it says you need to give it a topic. Now let us just give it a topic. Create a marketing video for the best burger in town. Now after I've done that, just tap on generate a video and we'll just do its magic. It will analyze the text that we have given it. And yeah, as it says right here, it has analyzed it. Now it's generating ideas, and after it generates ideas, it will just generate the video. Now we can just even choose the audience right here. Yeah, let's just do food lovers. Let's just make it epic, and let's just make it for uh okay, TikTok, why not? And after doing that, this will take a few minutes, but yeah, after it's done, you will just get a free video. Now it will just generate ideas. Now you don't need to be an video editing or video grapher. You don't need to be an expert in doing any of those, but you'll just be able to create a video in a really short time and without much effort. So as you can see right here, it's analyzing and just taking its time. So let it take its time. Now as you can see, the video's been ready. Now let us play.
Hold on to your buns. We've got the ultimate burger experience coming your way. Imagine this, a juicy beef patty, crispy bacon, melty cheese, and a perfect... We've got secret sauce that's just the right amount of tangy and sweet.
So as you can see, without any effort, a whole video has been created of almost a minute. So yeah, that's it. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye. Take care.